Welcome back all to Lost in Stupid Garage. So today's just a quick hack, a real easy thing. I see lots of videos where people talk about locks for your hitch. And that you can buy all these fancy locks, but you really don't need that. And also, from everything I've seen so far, people can break those locks off in seconds flat. So what I have learned to do is to take a cheap, no name, straight off the mothership from China, a little bit of Chinesium there. Drill bits off of HF, Harbor Freight. And again, I get these usually for about $20 to $30 for a 29 piece to 32 piece, whatever the special usually is. I find a bit that is similar size to the lock. I just put it in the holder and test it. Okay, we'll see. Okay, that one will be a little snug, but yet a little bit of room. And do remember that as you take this in and out, it beats around in your hitch. So we've got you lined up. I got my drill bit. Let's pray and hope that the cheap Harbor Freight drill bit works. All we're going to do is widen this, and it's going to go on to lock down my drawbar. Oh yeah. And like I said, because this came from China too, this pin, luckily, it is a super easy job. That's it. We're done. Show you the final result. This will now fit through there. No, it won't. Ha! That isn't it. Wah, 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 wah. Look at that. Fits like a glove. Fits in there snug, but yet not too snug. It slides in and out, see? And then all I do is wrap it around and lock it. I'm not going to do it right now because I want to go put it on. And that's it. Now another hack I've done, if you would like to see that, I'll tell you about it real quick. Right there. I put a heavy-duty grade 8 bolt from the bottom of the drawbar. I laid down into the truck after I put the pin through to hold this in place. I drilled up and through and widened it. And then all I do is to drop a small bolt through here, and I cut it off to the length I wanted, and then back the nut off, a sacrifice, and then put this on. This holds it down tight now to the drawbar. No Loctite needed or anything. It just sucks it right down. So when it goes in, it slides like normal. I lay under it. I use this short wrench. Put it up in there. And then from the bottom, I use a socket. It's 9/16. It's a grade 8. I'm telling you, folks, this is probably one of the best things I ever did. And it holds it so snug all season long. I maybe have to tighten it up once, depending on how heavy of a load I carry. This purposely, I did this. It doesn't let it rattle and clatter in the back of the Jeep. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for stopping by. Keep coming back. We want you back. Lost in Stupid Garage.